Oh, bye.
Bye. What's in your camera bag?
Oh, of course. I'm gonna show you what's inside on my camera bag. So, let's go. And guys, so first, this is my bag from Lopro. Yeah, and I have some accessories from my bag of Lopro. This is also from Lopro bag. It's a Lopro SNF series. Yeah, and also I have a Lopro here. This is also accessories from Lopro that you can put your tripod. So on this side, I put my Joby Gorilla Pod. So we're always ready for vlogging. Of course, this is my everyday bag. This is a sling type of bag. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you one by one what's inside the of my camera bag. This 2024 edition. So yeah, let's start now, guys. First, on this side, I have the GoPro. Yan. It's for tripod. So you can detach this.
They can see also the previous
Yes.
camera bag you have before. No?
Yes,
And
2023.
this link.
Yes.
Up.
So this is 2024. So every year we have update the camera bag. Every day we use different.
And also
bag.
the gears.
Yes, also the gears. The gears also. We always change, change and sell. So this is the part of side bag. This is the yeah, you can fold this. This is from Lopro. Yeah. By the way, this is from Lopro. Okay. Yeah, it's lowpro.com. This is for a tripod bag that you can mount here, detachable. And I have here the Joby Gorilla Pod 3K, which is we found in Haraj. Yeah. Next is this area. Also, this is a detachable part of the bag. Yeah, it's the one of the accessories of the. Yeah, it's audio utility bag. So actually, this is not only for audio I put, but we have here the. Yeah, we have here the drone. So I have drone here. We have the
Motion controller.
the motion controller 2 and the
Wow.
DJI Avata.
So,
yeah, we have the Avata. So we have the drone. Okay. So for the main bag, this is our main bag. First, go here with the pouch side, front. We have our power bank. So it's very important every day that you have a power bank. In case that you don't have battery from your mobile, from your gadget like motion control, avatar, you can charge via power bank. Of course, I have my memory card holder. I have a lot of memory cards, by the way. I have memory card holder or memory card pouch or bag. Then I have a cable here from USB-C. And so this is inside. In the top, we have also here. Beyond. So we have here the barley. I am barley. Shout out to barley. Di ba? I was always have a barley always on my bag. Ayan. Another memory cards. I think this is a micro or yeah, micro memory card, micro SD memory card for the drones, and I have N360 and also a micro memory card. Yeah, and we have lots of memory card micro. Okay, next we have also here the goggle Integra. So from DJI, so we have the Avata, the goggle Integra, and yan, tanggalin lang natin to. I have also pouches from Fujifilm pouch. Yan, lagyan natin dyan. Okay. Next, I have the charger for my Avata, the single charger for the Avata. Yan. Next is the main, which is here. Actually, this bag is the Lopro Slingshot 202 AW. Yan. This is the model of my bag, guys, that I took again from Haraj. Again, we have two pouches. And also, this is a Lopro. Yan. So this is how we organize our pouches. Yeah. So we have the battery for our low battery for Fujifilm S5 Pro. Again, I have a pouch here for SD cards. So I have also here the CF Express 512 MB, not GB, but MB for the S5 Pro Fujifilm. I have AA battery, very sensor. Yeah. So this is the pouch. Keep aside. I have another pouch, so I have two pouches here for to organize your things. Then I have this Seconic light meter. Yeah, Seconic light meter, Flashmate L308. Yeah, because we always have the film camera, so this is very useful. Film cameras. I have cables from micro SD. Another battery for my camera S5 Pro, and this is accessories for our blower. And so it's empty again. It's accessories for the blower. Yeah, this is the blower that you can use for cleaning. I did a plug for this. Lobat. Yan. Okay, this is the blower. So we have blower here, and we have also here the Insta360. And I have the Insta360 X3. Lagyan natin dito. I have the stick for the Insta360, and yan, I have our vlogging camera, which is the Sony ZV-1 Mark 1, of course. And then we have here a point and shoot camera for photo. If I like to take a photo for street, we have here the Pentax MX1. It's a very nice camera. Next, it's my film camera that I brought every day is the Pentax K1000. Yeah, this is our Pentax K1000 camera, a film camera, guys. And so it's always on my bag. Whatever I want to take a photos for a different scenario. And the last one, of course, our camera. The main camera that I always bring is the Fujifilm S5 Pro. So I love this camera, guys. So yeah, this is the S5 Pro. You know, sa paulit. Yon, diba? So this is the S5 Pro. Shoutout kay Palaboy FW yung nasa picture. Nag-video sa atin. So this is what I have on my camera bag. This is what inside my camera bag. So again, my camera
Paano mo pagkasya?
is
Paano mo na pagkasya?
is the Low Pro Slingshot 202 AW. So and guys, I think that's it for today. I just want to share you my bag and what's inside my bag. My everyday backpack, actually. Not backpack, sling bag. So this is what always I bring on my sling bag. And I think I have memory cards also here. Yeah, still I have memory card extra here. I have a lot of memory cards. And always have a backup. Yeah, I have 264 for everyday. Yeah, that's I put here. Yon. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, I just want to share you what inside of my camera bag, everyday camera bag. So yan, hanggang dito lang again. If you want to check all this gadget that I have, you can check also to our website in AB World, www.abworld.com. So most of our gear is also in AB World. So yan, hanggang dito lang guys. Again, Flex Time, Palaboy FW, at yung isang channel, yung OFW. Check nyo, OFW Unboxing. So from tech, you name it guys. Appliances, all. OFW Unboxing. So hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.